In front of me is POCO C40, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Connection and Sharing. After that, select Printing over here and click on System Printing Service, or select Add Service here, tap on the chosen one and install it. For example, I have HP printer, so I will go with HP one, wait for it to download and click on the back button twice. Then click on one of your printing services, I'll go with HP one, and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!